Today I'm going to show you how to make easy homemade no-churn chocolate ice cream. It has only 4 ingredients and makes a decadent homemade treat. And I've got the blog post down below so you can click through to it to get the full recipe, step-by-step instructions, and pin, bookmark and save when you want to make this easy homemade no-churn chocolate ice cream. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know other chocolate treats you'd like me to share. So let me show you how to make this easy homemade no-churn chocolate ice cream. Start by separating 4 eggs into 2 bowls. You want the whites in one bowl and the yolks in the other, because we're going to whisk them all up separately so that we get a lovely base for our chocolate ice cream. So we've got the 4 yolks in one bowl, the egg whites in another. Set the yolks aside and we're going to see to whisking up our egg whites. So just whisk up your egg whites until you have meringue, and then it's a matter of adding in your sweetness of choice. You can add stevia, sugar, anything you'd like, a half a cup of sweetness, and whisk that in until it's fully dissolved. And you've got this lovely whipped egg white meringue mixture. Then just set it aside, and in another bowl we're going to pour in cream. Heavy whipping, any cream you can whip up into whipped cream. A cup went in there, and just whisk it now until you've got a thickened lovely whipped cream, just like that. We've got a bowl full of lovely whipped cream. And now our chocolate goes in. I've got a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder or cacao powder, and we're going to gently at first just whisk that chocolate in to the whipped cream. A little bit gently at first, it gets a bit powdery, and then whisk it until it's fully combined together. You might need to scrape down the sides just to help it along, but whisk until you've got nice chocolate whipped cream, just like that. And now we're going to mix everything together. Just give the egg yolks a quick whisk to just mix them together, and then add the egg yolks into our whisked egg white and fold it all together until you've got a nice smooth creamy mixture of egg yolks and egg whites all folded together, just like that. And now we'll add in our chocolate mixture, so the whisked chocolate and whipped cream, and just gently fold it all together and keep folding and really gently mixing. I find this to be quite a therapeutic task. Just mix everything nice and through together until you've got your chocolate ice cream base ready to go. Once all the ingredients have mixed together and you've got a smooth, creamy ice cream mixture, it's just time to move it into the dish that's going to go into the freezer. So pour the mixture into a freezer-proof dish, pour it all in, and then just smooth it out. Then it's just a matter of moving it to the freezer for at least 2 hours, possibly longer, to be able to set so that you've got a nice scoopable chocolate ice cream. And then after 2 hours, when you can see that it's set nicely, scoop it out and enjoy your easy homemade no-churn chocolate ice cream. So that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know other chocolate treats you'd like to enjoy, and remember to check down below for the link to the blog post that has the full recipe with the step-by-step instructions. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.